This PLC tutorial is on exclusive OR gate. In this tutorial, we will make exclusive OR gate in PLC software and we will verify its functionality according to the truth table as well. So let's begin. The exclusive OR gate outputs 1 when the inputs are different. For example, the combination of 0 and 1 and 1 and 0, the exclusive OR gate will output 1. But if the inputs are the same, for example 0 and 0, 1 and 1, in this case the output of the exclusive OR gate will be 0. Now let's verify it in the TIA portal software. So I will be using here a normally open and a normally close contact in series. And then I will be creating here a parallel branch. And in this branch I will be using the normally close contact first and then normally open contact, as you can see it from here. Now I will be using here a normally open contact and then I will close this branch in a parallel fashion, and finally I will be using here an output. Now this is a pair for input A and this is a pair for input B. Now let's create the tags. So I'm clicking here show all tags, and first I am going to create a tag for input A. So I am typing here input underscore A and then input underscore B and finally the output. We know that for inputs we use I as identifier, so these two are correct, but for output we will be using Q as identifier. So I'm changing this identifier from I to Q because this is output. Okay, now we have to go back to the main, or you can say in the programming window. We can also go it from here as well. And now I'm going to assign the tags. So this pair should be input A. So I'm assigning this input A to this one and this normally close contact as well. So this is our first pair which have the same address and they are parallel to each other. Similarly, I'm going to assign input B to this one and input B to this one. They have the same address and parallel to each other. And finally, this will be the output. Okay, the circuit is completed. Now first you have to click on this start simulation. In my case, it is already started. So I'm going to click on download and then click on load button. And after that, I'm going to turn on the monitoring mode, which will enable us to see the power in green line. Now I am opening the project view window, which will enable us to toggle input A and input B contact switches. And as you can see, the output is low because both of the inputs are same, both are high. And if I turn off both of these inputs, then again the output will be low because both are the same, both are low. But if they are different, for example input A is high and B is low, the output will get high. And same for the vice versa case. If input B is high and A is low, because both are different, in this case the output will remain high. And this is what exactly we have learned earlier. If the inputs are different, the output will be high, and if the inputs are same, the output will be low. So that's all for this video, guys. If you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.